It's the oldest building in Cornwall, 600 years old. I've made it my mission to visit as many National Trust and English Heritage sites as I possibly can. I'm a paid up member of both, and just like any kind of membership, like gym membership for argument's sake, people pay a lot of money for that and then end up not going. So I've decided that as I'm a member of both, I'm going to visit as many as I possibly can. I'm here at Tintagel. Obviously the post office, boring I know, but hey, it's something to do, isn't it?
Inseparable, we were closer than two of a kind. The bond was almost palpable, solemn oaths with our blood that were signed. But
so I'm in the post office now. It's the oldest building in Cornwall, 600 years old. Seat apparently, so history has it. Not that one behind me, by the way. This is what I mean. Boscastle harbour. Not bad actually. Well, the sun's out, it's fairly warm. Boscastle, what a nice place. I might just get the drone out. My time away is almost finished. I've been gone a little over 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks. Took a few more days left, of course. And you probably can't hear me now because of the sound of the wind and the sea. But I just want to take a little bit of time to reflect on that time away. I think it's always good to get yourself away for whatever period of time, but every now and again just get yourself away for that extended period of time just to reset everything, pay all the dividends. I'm not saying that I'm fully charged and ready to go back to work, because I'm not, but yeah, it's helped me on the way. I've had a great time. May there be many more. I wax lyrical on the beach about how cathartic the trip was and is, and I wasn't lying. If you can get away, you should get away. It doesn't always have to be 5-star luxury. It doesn't have to always be, you know, the latest, the greatest. Just taking yourself away for a period of time, roughing it as I have been doing.
In 100 yards, enter roundabout. Take 7, exit.
Sat nav going. Just brings a new element to your trip. Get outside. That's basically what I'm trying to say. I've had a great experience, and I always have great experiences when I go away. Going to Corsica was a want of mine. I've done that, and that was really, really good. Sites like Caporosso, for argument's sake, waiting around in the rain just to get that one shot. Darting around Monaco was okay. Different experience. Driving
6.3 miles.
Driving through Italy, Switzerland, and France. As I've always said, I keep going on about France, but it is well set up for going out there and exploring. Yeah. The demon word work looms, but not for another couple of days. So if you have come with me, I'm talking to you as if there's like a raft of people sitting there watching my exploits. If you have come with me, then I hope you've enjoyed the experience. I apologise for the camera work and all the rest of it, but as I said before, I'm new to this, and I've got to see whether or not it's something that I want to continue doing. And if you haven't, well, it's not really a problem, because as I said before, I did this for me. I did this to see whether or not talking about my exploits and showing them was going to be something that I wanted to do. One thing that's not going to stop is the getting out there, the journeying, the exploring, the visiting, travelling. So, as I said before, if you can, you should. And if you haven't, please think about it. It's just the way forward. I'm going to sign off now anyway. I've got a lot of tidying up in this to do, a lot of washing of the van, etc, 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 and then go from there. So hopefully I shall see you all on the next trip.